Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to change Shopify tab name. So firstly, let's update the tab name for your main homepage. So just log into your Shopify dashboard. This is where I am, and click on the online store here, and then go to preferences in the left sidebar. Then look right at the top under the title and meta description. So let us scroll down a bit. And there you go, we have the meta description and homepage title. So as you can see, this is my default. It's a bunch of random symbols and also the Shopify domain, which is really not beautiful for this. And in the homepage title, you, for example, can type in something like main page and also add the meta description. For example, find products, products here. And then just press save, like that. And now boom, as you can see, your particular page's name is now successfully changed. And also guys, pro tip, if you want your browser tab to look completely high-end, you can pair your new tab title with a custom browser favicon logo. So how do we do that? So you need to go to the online store, then you go to themes and customize. After that, open up the theme settings with this right here with this button. Just load, please. Damn, Shopify is incredible sometimes, just lagging. So you go here, and in here, this first tab, logo and favicon, and you can just select the logo images, as you can see for all of these. So for default logo, inverse, and for favicon. And this will make sure that, as you can see, this Shopify native tab has this green kind of, I guess that's kind of a weights icon, I guess. That's what that is. And you will have your own just like this. So guys, enjoy customizing. As always, like the video if this helps and subscribe.